The automotive world is buzzing with anticipation as Honda introduces one of its most daring and imaginative creations, yet the 2026 Honda Magna, inspired by the bold lines, expressive shapes, and futuristic energy of Japanese manga culture. This vehicle blends art and engineering in a way the industry hasn't seen before. Today, we explore what makes the Honda Magna a standout entry in the next generation of urban mobility. A design born from storytelling, the 2026 Honda Magna takes its name seriously. Every curve, angle, and surface feels like a panel straight from a high-energy manga series. Honda's designers aim to create a car that feels alive, expressive, and dynamic even when it's standing still. The front fascia showcases exaggerated, stylized LED patterns that resemble manga motion lines, while the body features bold contouring that gives the impression of constant movement. This is a vehicle designed to ignite imagination, turning every street into a scene and every drive into a narrative. Electrified performance for a new era. Under its artistic shell, the 2026 Honda Magna is all about next-generation performance. Built on Honda's advanced electric platform, the Magna delivers responsive acceleration and smooth, whisper-quiet driving. The battery system offers excellent efficiency for daily commuting, and fast-charging capabilities make it an ideal companion for urban life. Its lightweight construction and optimized aerodynamics shaped by that Magna-inspired exterior help maximize range without sacrificing spirited performance. A cabin that feels like a creative studio. Step inside the 2026 Honda Magna and the theme of expressive energy continues. The interior design mirrors the clean lines and sharp contrasts of manga artwork, with illuminated accents and a minimalist layout that focuses on clarity and immersion. A wide wraparound digital interface offers customizable themes, some even in manga art styles, allowing drivers to personalize their cockpit experience. The seating is designed for comfort during long journeys, yet sculpted with a futuristic aesthetic that complements the car's overall artistic identity. Technology that anticipates your world. The Magna doesn't just look like it belongs in the future, it drives like it. Honda's latest driver assist technologies come standard, incorporating adaptive sensing, smart navigation, and enhanced safety systems that react naturally to the unpredictability of city life. With cloud-connected features and continuous updates, the Magna evolves alongside its driver, learning preferences and improving efficiency over time. Conclusion: a fusion of imagination and innovation. The 2026 Honda Magna stands as a bold reminder that cars can be more than machines, they can be expressions of creativity and cultural identity. By marrying Magna-inspired design with modern electric performance and cutting-edge technology,